Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Best ETO colleges, companies and seats 2026 admission data let me share. So how Merchant Navy decoded ranks colleges की भैया placement track record क्या, infrastructure training कैसी, transparency in fees कैसी है. So these are the three factors and the best part is when you're watching this YouTube video is that I want to take you to my app which is Merchant Navy Start app. क्योंकि guys ये social media यहाँ पर मैं किसी के बारे में कुछ openly खराब बोलूँगा तो the challenge is I can get sued and I do not want to get that in the initial part of my career. So all I want to say is मैं आपको कुछ colleges के बारे में बताऊंगा. But at my app Merchant Navy Start app, when you go to the ETO section and go to the best colleges, the recommended or not recommended are clearly mentioned there. Then you can ask our team ki why is it so and we will guide you as well. But out here, so first is yes recommended Anglo-Eastern 40 seats per batch, 2 batches May to September. 4 fees is 4,10,000 rupees, 100% sponsorship, great. Fleet management IMA Noida 25 seats per batch, 3 batches March, July, November. Fees is 2,92,000, best ROI in the industry. This means fees कम है और salary उसमें ज़्यादा है. 7 islands 40 students per batch, 3 batches March, July, November. Fees is 3,99,500 rupees, 100% sponsorship. यहाँ पर स्टाइपेंड कितना है, कितना वेटिंग पीरियड है, सब चीजें इफ यू गो टू द मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्ट ऐप एंड डू द कॉलेज सेक्शन, बेस्ट कॉलेज सेक्शन, यू विल सी एवरीथिंग आउट देयर अलॉन्ग विद द एग्जाम पैटर्न, व्हेन टू अप्लाई एवरीथिंग. नेक्स्ट इज एमएससी सेंट्स टू कोयम्बटूर मरीन कॉलेज. सो वहां पर सीट्स 40 per batch है. टोटल इनटेक डिपेंड्स ऑन कंपनी रिक्वायरमेंट, इट कैन चेंज ऑल्सो. नाउ सिंस एमएससी हैज नॉट गॉट इन ओन कॉलेज, they change the requirement as per the waiting period they need, more students or less. Fees is 3,85,000 per student, 100% sponsorship. Tolani Maritime Institute, this is only one of the colleges that I recommend with no sponsorship, but I've seen the track record over the years, 100% placement, 40 per batch, 2 batches Feb and August, 4,15,000 rupees fees है, excellent placement. So this is the only college among all the companies. आप देखोगे MSC company, 7 Islands company, they have got their own college, Fleet Management company, Anglo-Eastern company, rest all में sponsorship है. Copied guys. Next is AMET. It is not AMET, it is must sponsorship, 40 per batch, 3 batches Jan, March, August. Good company. Fees is around 3,50,000 rupees, fast track promotion. Then comes Great Eastern Indian company, 40 students per batch, 3 batches January, June, October. Fees is 4,50,000 rupees. Ownership company but इंडियन कंपनी. सो इनके वेटिंग पीरियड के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं और साथ में इनका फीस स्ट्रक्चर, हाउ मच सैलरी डू दे गिव, गो टू द मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्ट ऐप. नेक्स्ट इज SCI-MTI, अगेन एन इंडियन कंपनी, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा चलती है. 40 सीट्स अवेलेबल है. एनुअल इनटेक, फीस इज 4,50,000 रुपीज. अगेन देयर फीस, एग्जाम syllabus and along with that the waiting period, everything is mentioned on the Merchant Navy Start app. Now guys, to you guys all I want to say is go to the Merchant Navy Start app, go to the ETO section, go to the eligibility calculator and check which all companies you are eligible for. Second thing is, are those companies and colleges in my recommended list of best colleges or not? This is something which is very important. This app is a lifeline for you and it will never let you get misguided. Even you can practice your questions as well so that you can get your online test cleared. When it comes to getting selected in a top-notch shipping company, if you are eligible for a top-notch shipping company, go there. How to prepare ETO aspirant excellence package. 100 students as ETO aspirants have joined top-notch companies through this. Check out the free trial videos on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. The link is in the description box. And maybe in 2027 we might start our own offline coaching at SMED Marine Academy. Take care, bye.